10 Q&A about FUNSUN DTF Printer. 1. How much the DTF printer? What can it print? 30 cm DTF cloth printer, $3,000 including the printer and the powder shaking machine, the whole set of equipment. It can print on all textile garments, t-shirts, hoodies, jerseys, jeans, hats, canvas bags. 2. What is the printing process? 1. Firstly, print the pattern on the DTF film. 2. Sprinkle powder onto the printed image. 3. The powder shaking machine shakes off the excess powder. 4. Melt the powder into glue at high temperature. 5. Cut the printed pattern off. 6. Use a heat press machine to transfer the pattern on the printed film to the clothes. 7. Finally, tear off the film, and then one piece of clothing has been printed. 3. What consumables are used? Price? 1. DTF ink, $75 / set. 2. Heat transfer film, $30 / roll. 3. Powder, $10 / kg. 4. 38 by 38 cm size heat transfer machine, $200. If you purchase our DTF cloth printer, we will give a set of ink, 1 roll of film and 1 kilogram of powder for free. 4. How many film and powder can be printed with 1 set DTF ink? 1 set of DTF ink can print 3 to 4 rolls of film, and 1 roll of film is matched with 1 kilogram of powder. 5. What is the printing cost? 1 set of ink costs $75, and it can roughly print 100 square meters. The ink printing cost per square meter is only about $0.75. Printing film is about $1 per square meter. The price of powder is very cheap and can be ignored. In this way, adding up all the consumables, the printing cost per square meter is less than $2. 1 square meter can print approximately 10 patterns of a 3 size, so the printing cost of each a 3-sized pattern is at most only $0.2. If it is to print other small patterns or just some logos and trademarks, it will be even cheaper. Therefore, DTF cloth printers are selling extremely well now, with low printing costs and high printing profits. 6. How is the printing speed? Have larger and faster one. The 30 cm size DTF cloth printer can print about 2 square meters per hour approximately. If you need a larger size, we have a 60 cm size DTF cloth printer which can print about 6 to 7 square meters per hour approximately. How many pieces of clothing do you probably need to print per day? Most customers choose to buy the 30 cm DTF cloth printer, and it can print a maximum of 200 to 300 pieces of clothing per day. 7. How is the printing effect? Will it fade when washed? The printing effect is very good with bright colors. It will not fade at all after washing and can be washed at least about 400 times, and the pattern can be maintained for at least 2 to 3 years. You can send a picture to us and we will help you print it out to check the printing effect. 8. Can use Epson i3200 printhead? What's the difference? It can be equipped with the i3200 printhead, but many of our customers will choose the XP600 printhead for the following reasons. The differences between the XP600 and i3200 printheads. 1. Printhead speed. The printing speed of the i3200 printhead is only 20% faster than that of the XP600 printhead. 2. Printhead effect. The printing effect is the same, both are 1440 dpi. 3. Printhead price. i3200 printhead, $1,100 each. XP600 printhead, $300 each. 4. Printhead after sales cost. Because the lifespan of both printheads is only 1 year, if you buy the XP600 printhead, you only need to spend $300 to replace it after 1 year. If you choose the i3200 printhead, you need to replace 2 printheads after 1 year, which is $2,200. Overall, 95% of our customers will choose the printer with the XP600 printhead, so I also suggest that you choose the printer with the XP600 printhead. 9. Is there a cheaper DTF cloth printer? We have a cheaper A3 size desktop DTF cloth printer that only costs $2,000. The main differences between these two machines are: 1. The 30 cm DTF cloth printer is an all-in-one printing, powder shaking and drying, fully automatic. The A3 desktop DTF cloth printer requires you to manually sprinkle powder and dry it after the pattern is printed. 2. Printing speed and printing effect of all 30 cm DTF cloth printers are much faster than that of the A3 desktop DTF cloth printer. 3. The 30 cm DTF cloth printer is also more stable than the A3 desktop DTF cloth printer. How many pieces of clothing do you print approximately per day? What kind of patterns do you print? You can tell us, and we will recommend the most suitable DTF cloth printer for you. 10. What are the differences between DTF and DTG printer? The differences between the DTF cloth printer and the A3 DTG printer mainly include 3 points. 1. The A3 DTG printer prints on pure cotton materials, while DTF cloth printer is suitable for all textile materials. 2. The printing speed of DTF cloth printer is faster than that of DTG, and the output is larger. 3. When DTG is printed on cotton materials, it is more breathable. DTF cloth printer will have a layer of film covering the clothes and is not so breathable. What kind of material clothes do you mainly print? How many pieces do you print approximately per day? Tell us to recommend the most suitable printer for you.